Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso, at oras na nga para simulan ang ating Byahe Sender of the Night, ang kanyang kwento, at siya ay nag-send ng kanyang kwento sa ating number na 0917-851-4329. That's our Byahe Textline, 0917-851-4329. Wala siyang sinend na pangalan, so papangalanan natin siya ngayong gabi na Caitlin. Wow, social! Gusto mo yan, Caitlin? So, eto na nga po ang biyahe ni Caitlin. Hi DJ Lala, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Isa po ako sa masugid mong tagapakinig at sumusubaybay. Inaabangan ko palagi ang mga advice mo tuwing gabi. Kaya naman naisipan ko pong sumulat sa iyo para na rin po makakuha ako sa inyo ng payo. Matagal na po akong hiwalay sa asawa ko at ngayon po ay may kinakasama ako. Yung problema ko po kasi sa tuwing nag-aaway po kami, nananakit po siya. Ayaw niya po kasing magsalita ako ng magsalita or magpaliwanag kung bakit galit ako sa kanya. Palagi kasi ako nagdududa sa kanya dahil sa mga kinikilos at pananalita niya. Minsan, nahuli ko po siyang gumagamit ng pinagbabawal na gamot. Kinumpranta ko siya pero nauwi pa rin sa sakitan. At masama pa, sinisira niya po lahat kung anuman ang gamit na meron kami. Binabasag niya po lahat. At pinaka-worst kung problema sa kanya, kaya lagi akong nagagalit kasi ang hilig niya po magsali sa mga group sex. At mahilig siyang manood ng porn kahit katabi na ako. At gawain niya rin pong makipag-video call agad sa mga kakilala niyang mga babae. Pero kung mag-uusap naman kami, palagi niyang sinasabi na mahal niya ako at di daw siya maghahanap na ng iba. Abroad kasi ako at pabalik na sa ibang bansa. Ginusto at minahal niya daw ako dahil sa akin niya nakita ang lahat ng gusto niya at yung pagpaplano niya para sa future, ang dami niya pong plano pagbalik ko daw sa abroad. Pero pinagtataka ko, sa ngayon di pa ako nakakaalis at siya ay may trabaho, hindi siya marunong magplano. Kaya humihingi po ako sa inyo ng payo. Minahal kaya ako ng totoo? Labis kasi siyang nasaktan noon sa ex niya at ngayon palagi niya yung sinasabi sa akin na ipapakita niyang umasenso siya kasama ko. Sana po mabigyan niyo po ako ng payo para hindi na ako magkaroon ng idea at magkaroon ako ng peace of mind. Kasi po di po ako nakakaalis, unti-unti ko pong nararamdaman ang pagbabago niya. Mahal na mahal ko lang po talaga siya ng sobra. Ano po ba ang dapat kong gawin? Okay, my love, ganito gagawin natin, Caitlin, no? I'll do something different. This time, ang gagawin ko, instead of me telling you what's up sa relationship ninyo para ma-picture out mo yung klase ng relationship na meron kayo, sasabihin ko na sa iyo kung ano yung meron kayo. Then, ikaw na mismo, sa sarili mo, ang mag-isip, just for today, kung dapat bang ipagpatuloy tong relationship na to. Isa-isahin ko sa iyo 1, nananakit. Physically, hindi lang emotionally, hindi lang verbally, physically. 2, naninira ng gamit. 3, gumagamit ng pinagbabawal na gamot. 4, mahilig sa porn, bastos-bastusan, harap-harapan, sumasali sa mga sex groups, kahit andyan ka pa. 5, nakikipag-usap kung kani-kanino mga babae. 6, madaming plano sa future kasi nag-a-abroad ka. Kasi nagbibigay ka ng something. Pero dahil siya yung nagtatrabaho, walang pag-uusap tungkol sa future. 7, gusto niyang yumaman, nakasama ka, pero ginagawa niya lang yan kapag may pag-uusap na kayo tungkol sa pag-abroad mo. So, sabi nga ni Boy Pindot, wala naman masyadong red flags. Diba, my love? Naririnig mo ko? Now that you are hearing it from someone else, from a third party, ikaw na ngayon yung nakakarinig ng mga facts. What do you think will I tell you? Ano sa tingin mo ang sasabihin ko sa'yo? Will I still encourage you to stay in that relationship? will I still encourage you to give that man a second chance? A third chance? A fourth chance, or any chance at all? My love, you know, within your heart, as you were typing this, as sinusulat mo to, before mo to isend sa akin, you know within your heart, I'm gonna say no. Alam mo yun sa sarili mo. But the problem is, ate, you did not text me to ask a question. You did not text me for anything. Gusto mo lang siya sabihin sa akin. Kasi I don't think you need my confirmation or validation na yung iniisip mo or yung mga sinasabi mo ay sabihin na natin na merit or reasons for you to leave that guy eh. Kasi very much obvious eh. Wala kang sinabing maganda about the guy. Lahat pangit. Lahat hindi magaganda. So expected mo na ang sasabihin ko sa'yo ay, syempre no. Syempre walayan mo na. Syempre tayo, wag ka nang magstay dyan, you deserve better and all that jazz. Yung mga tipuhang, you know your worth, alam mo yung halaga mo, may taong may magmamahal pa sa'yo, may taong mas karapat dapat sa'yo, I don't think hindi mo pa yan narinig to anyone or anybody. Ate, what I think you need is, sa totoo lang, ate, what I think you need is friends. Or our friends. I think you need to reconnect with your family, ate. I think that's what you need to do. Why? Kasi ito ay hindi na kaya ng salita, my love. Ito ay hindi nakakayanin ng salita ko lamang. Someone has to physically drag you away from that relationship. Sa totoo lang. Someone has to step in. Kasi it's either delusional ka or nasingkot mo na lahat ng mga ginagamit niya so that yung judgment mo ay clouded. That's why you are staying in that relationship. Kasi I do not think na that is love. Hindi na ako naniniwalang pagmamahal yan. Kasi that is not unconditional love. Diba? Iba ang unconditional love, mahal eh. Gagamitin ko yung sinabi ni Trent Shelton. Unconditional love is different from unconditional tolerance. What you have is unconditional tolerance. You see the fault, you see the flaws, you do nothing about it, you tolerate it. Nagiging enabler ka ng condition niya. Nagiging enabler ka ng ugali niya, nagiging enabler ka ng characteristic niya. That is not unconditional love. That is unconditional tolerance. And that's something that you are tolerating is not meant to be tolerated. Hindi mo siya tinutulungan to be better, my love. You are making him worse. Dahil hinahayaan mo siyang gawin yan sa'yo, iniisip niya tama yung ginagawa niya. So my love, it's not that sinisisi pa kita, pero a part of this mess you are in is your fault. Kasi what in the world of relationship will someone be okay na yung partner nila ay nagpa-participate sa group sex while andyan ka? That's harap-harapang bastusan eh. Diba? Sabihin na natin, there's no way that will be okay in any relationship unless nagpe-playtime lang kayo, but you are talking about the future, my love. You are investing in this relationship not only emotionally but also financially. So my love, I think you need a friend. Matinding mga kaibigan, siguro 3 para kaya ka. Or you need to reconnect with your family. My love, you need someone. You need someone who will step in physically to drag you out of that home or house that you live in. Kasi basically that's not a home. Walang love, walang progress, walang anything, walang future dyan kung nasan ka ngayon. If I were you, call someone you trust the most. Siguro kapatid, pinsan, best friend if you have one, tita mo, mother mo if you will. Physically, sabihin mo na sa kanila, ma, pa, I don't care how you do it. Kung gusto nyo po, barangay pagamitin ninyo, but physically drag me outside this room, outside this apartment. Please intervene. Mamagitan na po kayo, I need help because you do my love. You don't need to tell, you don't me, you don't me. You don't need me to tell you that is a relationship na disastrous lang yung magiging endpoint. That relationship is a waste of time, waste of attention, waste of money, waste of everything. You don't need me to tell you that. You know that, Caitlin. Alam mo yan eh. You need someone stronger, someone that can hold you to get you out of this mess you are in. To get you out of this mess that you put yourself in. Okay? So again, my love, get help. I would love to. If magkaibigan tayo, if magkalapit yung bahay natin, I would love to. I would physically drag you from that room outside. O kaya yung gamit ng jowa mo, ibabalot ko sa plastic, ilalabas ko, if we are friends. And if malapit ako sa'yo, I will do that for you. But dahil wala akong ganong kapasidad, my love, wala akong ganong kapasidad, please, initiate yung effort to reach out to people who can physically help you. You need help, my love. That is the one thing I want you to hear right now. I want you to realize right now. You need help. You need someone to intervene sa relationship na yan, or you are gonna put your life to waste by staying with a man like that. There is no love in that relationship. Again, uulitin ko yung sinabi ni Trent Shelton, and very much like your relationship, that is not unconditional love. What you have in that relationship right now is unconditional tolerance. You are just being an enabler to a man who doesn't even understand the concept of love. Naintindihan mo ako, Caitlin? I hope marinig mo ko, love. I hope mag-reach out ka sa family mo kasi you need help. You really need that help. Kasi ikaw mismo, even if you decide to, may isang gawin lang yan, lalaking yan, you'll come crawling back to him. So you need someone to physically stop you from doing that. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, yan na muna ang ating Byahe Sender of the Night, si Caitlin. Now, if you wanna be like Caitlin, meron kayong problema and you wanna share it with me kasi gusto nyo ng payong derechahan, yung walang halong eme-eme. Let's go! Send it over sa aking Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas, or text me sa ating Byahe Textline 0917-851-4329.